Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Muxy AI token. Now the Muxy AI token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 17th, on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is MAI. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Muxy AI is the name of the token. This is on the Morph blockchain. You can find it at Morph, or actually explorer.morphl2.io. That's where you can find their block explorer. Now they have a Telegram you can follow that has 1,852 members, 73 online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members regarding this project. You can find it on their webpage, muxy.ai. They also have a Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. You'll see the contract address is right on the Twitter. It says, building the decentralized payment and incentive layer for AI's MPC. Has a link to a Telegram right there, full link tree. It's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Almost 9,000 Twitter followers, 45 tweets, blue verified check mark. If you go to the webpage, you're going to find a full white paper as well. So this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing. Starting tomorrow, May 17th at 10 a.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MAI, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, they have the full white paper listed. It's 14 pages long. So if you want to learn all the information, head over to muxy.ai and then click on the white paper PDF. That's going to tell you all the info. We're just going to go over the main points today, though. It says Muxy AI, a decentralized payment gateway and incentive protocol for model context protocol on Morph. Now, the Muxy AI protocol aims to establish a foundational layer on the Morph blockchain, providing a specialized payment gateway alongside an incentive and settlement protocol tailored for model context protocol MCP. Currently, the advancement of MCP faces critical hurdles. Developers lack sustainable monetization models, and the integration between MCP services and AI agent remains insufficiently seamless. Now, these factors impede the proliferation of progress of more sophisticated AI agent capabilities. Muxy AI addresses these challenges by offering a suite of core components, a toolkit designed for MCP developers, an on-chain mechanism to incentivize interactions between agents and MCPs, and a launchpad platform focused on MCP projects. Now, the protocol token plays a central role within the ecosystem, serving governance functions, providing liquidity for the platform, and acting as the primary medium for payments and accessing premium features within the Muxy AI ecosystem. Now, Muxy AI's vision is to cultivate a vibrant, decentralized, interoperable, and economically sustainable MCP ecosystem on Morph. thereby accelerating the path towards more powerful artificial intelligence systems. Now, if you want to learn more about MCP and AI and the rise of AI agents and their related systems, there's a full section on the white paper about that. Now, there's also a full section about Morph. Now, Morph is a scaling solution designed for Ethereum, uniquely combining features of optimistic rollups and ZK rollups. So, if you want to learn more about that, you can as well. But Muxy AI's core mission is to establish a decentralized, incentive-driven ecosystem for MCP development, deployment, and usage on Morph. It aims to be the missing critical piece in the current MCP landscape, a dedicated payment gateway and settlement protocol specifically designed for the unique economic interactions within MCP environments. Through its technical solutions and economic model, Muxy AI will inject momentum into the sustainable development of MCP's subsequent sections of the paper will detail the problems that Muxy AI addresses. Now, the problem, despite the immense potential of MCP, its widespread adoption and healthy development face significant obstacles like fragmentation and integration barriers, the sustainability gap, so lack of monetization and incentives, and market data corroboration. I have problems with that word there. Their solution here, Muxy AI, a decentralized payment gateway and incentive protocol for MCPs. So address the aforementioned problems. Muxy AI proposes a comprehensive solution designed to become an economic backbone of the MCP ecosystem on Morph. Now, Muxy AI is fundamentally positioned as the economic infrastructure for MCP on Morph, and it plays a dual role. Number one is payment gateways, facilitating value exchange between AI agents and MCP services, enabling pay-per-use models. An incentive protocol encouraging developers to deploy high-quality MCP servers and incentivizing their continuous operation and optimization through protocol token rewards. They are empowering developers with the Muxy AI MCP Toolkit, which involves standardized APIs and SDKs, deployment templates, agent integration libraries, and monitoring and analytics dashboard. They also have the protocol mechanics, incentivizing agent MCP interaction with registration and discovery, usage tracking, incentive algorithms, distribution basis, distribution mechanisms, staking, bonding, etc. So you can learn way more about this project if you just head over to muxy.ai. Check out their socials. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes in the description box down there, especially that Mexc Global one where this token will be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.